today. Well, actually, Margot asked me something. She asked me if I can draw a few pictures that she can color later. Okay? So, for the first one, what do you want me to draw?
A cute cupcake.
A cute cupcake? Okay, let's do it. Okay? Go!
Go.
Let's start with drawing the base of our cupcake. This allows us to, set the space properly and place the drawing more or less in the middle of the paper. Then we can go on with a few curved lines, like semicircles or something. And let's make them to be different, so they could look like the cupcake dough just coming out. And then, because I'm working without a pencil, I have to set the center of the dome on top of the cupcake with the cherry. So I just draw the cherry at first, and then I will draw the dome, so we have a cute shape all over without the need of deleting stuff. And then the mouth will be the next one, because it's at the center of the face in the middle of the cupcake. And then just those two little curved line for setting where the eyes should be, and then a little circle on the side and a little circle on the other side. Now, for making the eye to be very cute, we just draw a little curved line in the middle there in the eye, and then we make everything else black, so it will be like a little reflection for the eye. Makes everything cuter. Just mind to have those in the same position, because reflection in the eye is always in the same position. And then just a few little details for finalizing our drawing. Something on the base as well, little stripes there, so we can detail it a little more. And then the last thing will be just a little detail on the cherry, and that's it. Welcome back. So,
Hi.
this is the picture done. You see it? Yeah?
Yeah.
So, do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And even you can practice it at home when our video is done.
Oh, yeah, right, because they have seen how we made it.
Yeah.
So they can...
So whenever we do one step, they can pause it and do the other step.
Oh, that's smart, actually.
That's what we do in the classroom sometimes.
That's smart again. Okay, so let's see each other to our next picture.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.